Greetings everybody, coming to you from my 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK250 Bluetec diesel. Currently I am sitting at 175,800 miles and wanted to give a sort of quick update to those of you who are interested in this type of car and what to expect. Check out my other videos. I've done a whole bunch of videos about this car, but this most recent update is kind of notable because, okay, so just to recap, at 62,000-ish, I had a intake manifold error pop up, and then I had that replaced for free under the AEM warranty, and then replaced a few other seals and stuff. And then at 64,000-ish, sorry, 164,000-ish, then I had a NOx sensor error. So since then, it's been over 11,000 miles, and I haven't had the slightest bit of trouble out of this thing. It has just been flawless. It has started in all weather. I did a -5 Fahrenheit cold start video for those of you who would like to check that out. I also did a -2. We had 2 days in a row, -2, then -5. So I wanted to make sure I got to capture the coldest day, so I actually did both of them. But yeah, you know, then before that, I bought this car with 144,000 miles on it. And again, just to recap, pretty much nothing went wrong from 144 to 164. So as far as modern diesels go, this has been just unbelievably reliable. Did have a couple little ancillary things, like I had to replace the hood cable because it was starting to get rusty. Driver's door lock and a suspension bushing. That's about it. Alright, why do people pass and then slow down? I never understood that. It's like, oh, okay, I'm gonna pass you, but oh, I see someone's getting ready to merge on the highway, so I'm gonna slow down to complicate things for you. Anyway, I absolutely love this car. I've owned well over 100 cars in my life, and this is, I'm gonna say, probably in my top 4 favorites. I did do a video about my top favorite cars. Maybe at that time this one might have been number 5, but it's since gone up the list. I've put about 31,500 miles on this thing, and I've had it approximately a year and a half. I just love it. I mean, it drives like a Mercedes is supposed to drive, and I'm talking about, you know, the 80s and 90s Mercedes-Benzes that feel like a bank vault. Even though this is a lower model, they still got the feel right on it. I think this one might actually have electric power steering, but it's still, the steering is great. It's tight. It's very nicely weighted, good feedback. So yeah, I'm kind of getting off topic a little bit there. I think I've done videos about that as well. So I'll go ahead and cut this video off with that latest update.